What's up, everybody? We are today going to Morristown Airport. I'm gonna have my daughter up with me today. First time up in a plane. So we're gonna go up there and check it out. It looks like it's a great day. See how it's gonna be. This is Natalie, say hi.
Hi.
All right, see you at the airport. Bye.
So this is my first time flying and I'm extremely excited, so yeah.
Natalie, let me ask you a question. How high do you want to go up?
How high can we go? Oh God. We're here. We're here.
We're here. We just got here at Morristown Airport and
Bear Bear is here too.
Bear Bear's here too. So we're gonna get outside, pre-flight the plane, make sure everything's okay, and if everything's good, we are clear for takeoff. See you in the air next time.
Yeah.
Bye.
What is he writing? What is he writing? That is the question everyone asks. Dun, dun, dun!
OMG!
And you can take a picture of this here too if you want. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking a video. Oh,
All right. So let me do flight control set here. Mixture is rich. Fuel selector is on both. Throttle, we're gonna go 1800. Okay, check the mag here. Good. Vacuum. Good. Engine instruments are all set. Green, green, green. Okay. And we'll do an idle check.
Morristown ground, signature tug.
Signature tug.
Signature tug at hangar 16 ramp. Request us to go back to hangar 9 ramp via taxiway Delta Mike.
Signature tug, proceed as requested.
Signature tug proceeding as requested.
Okay, throttle idle, friction lock set, radios are all set here. Let me see.
Morristown ground, Archer 658 Alpha, it's clear runway 5 at Foxtrot, taxi back to signature.
658 Alpha, taxi signature via Alpha Echo Cross right 31.
Alright, back to signature via Alpha Echo Cross 3158 Alpha.
Okay guys, we're in the plane here now. We are going to Orange County, that is Mike Golf Juliet. So stay tuned and check it out. Natalie's on board.
Delta contact tower.
145 on Delta, over to tower, not quite 20 whiskey.
Okay, parking brake is off. Okay, before takeoff is complete. And Morristown ground, 5 Papa Delta is ready to taxi.
5 Papa Delta, ready to continue Alpha Delta, hold short 5, contact tower number 1.
Alpha Delta, hold short, runway 5, 5 Papa Delta.
5 Papa Delta, sorry about that, Romeo Delta, hold short 5.
Romeo, hold short 5, 5 Papa Delta.
Morristown ground 616 Alpha Delta, run up complete.
616 Alpha Delta, roger.
All right, Nat.
Behind the Cessna and Romeo. And
We should be taking off pretty soon.
Yay!
Taxi into
We'll be
runway
heading
5,
over
will be
to
behind the traffic on our
upstate New York, Orange County.
contacting tower 616
Upstate New York? We're going to New York?
Yep.
Yay!
Yeah. Yeah.
Morristown ground, signature tug.
Signature tugger.
I was just waiting for this guy.
Second hangar 9, requesting repo to hangar 1 via Mike Delta Romeo Juliet, negative aircraft in tow.
Signature tug, proceed as requested.
Copy that, proceeding as requested, signature tug.
Alrighty.
Yay!
We're good?
So, I guess so, yay!
Right. Yeah, Morristown Tower, Skyhawk 645 Papa Delta, holding short of runway 5, ready for takeoff.
645 Papa Delta, Morristown Tower, runway 5, clear for takeoff, say direction of flight.
I'll be heading out to the north.
Down course is approved.
And clear for takeoff. Runway 5, 5 Papa Delta. Okay, so like I said, we're just gonna run down the runway. When this plane wants to take off, she's gonna take off.
Plane ahead of us?
No, there is.
Number
Oh,
7
you
Delta
mean this
Mike, right
plane?
turn at your discretion, report midfield.
7 Delta Mike, right turn at our discretion. We'll be doing
Okay,
that now.
we got a little
and
right
report
crosswind.
7 Delta Mike.
Set. All right, here we go. Heels off the brakes.
Archer 616 Alpha Delta Morristown.
Airspeed alive.
Should I be scared out of my
Nope.
Should I be scared out of my mind?
No.
We're going to be departing
And-
VFR to north, 616 Alpha Delta.
There we go.
Oh my god.
616 Alpha Delta, roger, no delay.
Look straight out here.
Hawker, runway 5, clear for takeoff. All courses approved, just follow the Cessna over the departure.
Runway 5, no delay.
How are you?
616 Alpha Delta.
It's okay.
762, one
Look-
last departure.
look straight
departure
ahead,
right
huh?
now is an Archer. 762,
Oh,
okay,
wow.
keep
Welcome to the sky, Natalie. Welcome to the sky.
7 Delta Mike, and you'll be number 2 in the field following a Hawker on a 3-mile final. Report the traffic insight.
Welcome to the sky,
7
kiddo.
Delta Mike will be number 3, you said, and we'll look for traffic insight. Copy, 7 Delta Mike.
I am scared. It's bumpy.
It's actually not that bad.
Check 5 Papa Delta, enable squawk VFR.
Okay. Squawk VFR, yes.
Morristown Tower, this is 7 Delta Mike. Traffic insight. Copy.
Delta Mike number 2 following the Hawker, runway 5, clear to land. Question mark turbulence, 1090 at 8, that's 15.
Good.
Number 2, after the Hawker, we'll be careful of the wake turbulence. 7 Delta Mike.
That's us right there.
Oh, that's cute. That's
It
cool.
is. Yeah. Yeah. You could text mommy and tell her we're up in the air.
Okay.
Morristown Tower, Rescue 2, over to you, check.
Rescue 2, Morristown Tower, on a clear.
Morristown Tower, November 9520 Whiskey.
9520 Whiskey, Morristown Tower.
Yeah, we're just trying to knock out one instrument approach here. VFR signal to no services requested or required. Is it okay if we just set ourselves up outside of Hoseby?
The trees look like broccoli.
They do look like broccoli, right?
Yeah, the trees look like broccoli.
Oh, that's funny, yes.
Oh, I see a swimming pool.
Whiskey, that's approved, and just,
People have nice swimming.
Hoseby inbound.
People have nice swimming pools.
And we like broccoli.
Hoseby inbound, 20 Whiskey.
See, now this feels a lot different than being on that bridge, right?
Yes.
Because it's enclosed. It's a totally different feeling.
Yes.
Yes. All right, good. So, not just me. All right, good.
Morristown Tower, good afternoon. Falcon 318 Golf Alpha with you over Hoseby, Hornet 5.
318 Golf Alpha, Morristown Tower, runway 5, clear to land. Wind 100 at 6, gust 14.
Clear to land. 318 Golf Alpha.
And Morristown Tower, Ops 20 is on Delta holding short runway 5.
Ops 20, hold short runway 5 for arriving traffic. I'll get you on the runway shortly.
Holding short of 5 for the traffic.
It's a little bumpy, but it's going to be smoother once we get up a little higher. Okay? All right.
Sorry, right. Okay.
Okay.
Just like touching my seat.
Morristown Tower, request frequency change over to Caldwell, 7 Delta Mike.
7 Delta Mike, contact
That's it.
hotel on
That's
that point. Good
okay.
day.
I did not like that.
Well, once we get up,
7 Delta Mike, sir,
we're
Caldwell.
going to get a
We're
little
supposed
higher.
to get up. If we have to go up, then how come we're going down?
120 at 8, gust
That's just a
14.
little bumps in the air. That's called the turbulence. It's a little turbulence more down on the ground.
5 Papa Delta,
compared-
frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 5 Papa Delta, thank you. And once we get out of the class Bravo, we'll climb up a little
20
higher.
Whiskey, you can go all the way out to K White or...
See, when you get lower like this, it's a little bumpier in the daytime.
Got it.
Here to be between the two, actually, for 20 Whiskey.
Look, no hands.
Ah! Get your hands back on the steering wheel. I will die.
We don't want you to die. Like Mary said, jeez.
Yeah. She's like, it's so funny. She's like, oh, I hope you guys don't crash.
I know.
She's like, I hope you guys don't crash.
Like, yeah, man, me too. Thanks.
But if we did, she'd be like, I call Natalie's bed.
All right. We'll get a little higher. It'll be a little smoother.
This is why I'm clutching my chair. Literally, I'm clutching my chair.
You know how high we are?
Ow. How high?
3,000 feet.
Oh my,
Runway
what?
5 full length for upstream, no problem.
That is high.
Yeah.
And I'm going to have you fully 180 on Alpha. I apologize about that.
You're doing good.
Yeah, sure.
Wants to pull a 180 right here at Echo.
It's up to you, Nat.
Why am I in this?
If you want to stop it, you know, if you want to go back.
Why would I want to go back?
Okay, I'm just saying.
Then we have to go down.
Well, we're going to have to go down eventually.
I know. This is fun.
Right now we're doing 104 miles per hour on the ground.
Wow.
Yeah, I know, right? Wow.
Okay, Gulf Alpha's going ahead of the Mooney. We're going to make a left on 3-1 to the...
Want your food? Have a little
Yep.
food? All right.
Thankfully, I brought a napkin to spit out my gum.
One 953 Zulu.
Right now, this is where Uncle Danny lives around here. This is West Milford. See that airport right there?
No, I don't.
Condition clear.
Up straight ahead, where my finger is.
Celsius. Dew point.
Looks like a little black strip
Oh, I see
cut
that.
out. That's called West Milford Airport.
Cool.
Density
Yep.
altitude 1,006.
That's where Uncle Danny lives.
Neat.
Orange
Yeah.
County Airport, Montgomery, New York.
This is so fun.
Weather up 0.
It's smoother up here, right?
Visibility
Yeah.
10.
The higher you go, the smoother it is. And right now we're 3,500 feet.
Dew point
Wow.
12 Celsius.
Much higher than the bridge.
Altimeter 30.
I could tell.
Remark. Port Montgomery, New York. Automated.
Daddy, on the GPS thing right there, is that us?
Yep.
Ah.
4 Zulu. Wind 15.
That is Greenwood Lake. That big lake right over here?
Oh. Oh, wow, it's big.
Yeah.
So we're in New York?
We are now, once we get on the other side of that lake, then we're in New York.
Oh. I'm going to have to call up our cousins later and tell them that we went like above New York.
Upstate New York, yes.
Orange County traffic, bearing 212 Alpha Sierra. Taking the active runway 4, close pattern, Orange County.
Okay, so they're using runway 4.
Okay. Hey, I just realized upstate New York is where Colin lives.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is all upstate New York right here. Look how spread out it is, like these houses and stuff.
Cool.
All farmlands. Orange County traffic, Skyhawk is 13 miles from the west. We're going to land at runway 4. Port is 12 o'clock, straight ahead.
Even though I can't see straight ahead? Okay.
No, this way.
I know I can't see above it.
Oh, okay.
That's why I always look that way.
Orange County traffic, 212 Alpha Sierra, turning final runway 4. Orange
Orange County traffic, Skyhawk is 9 miles from the south. We're going to go straight in for runway 4. Orange County traffic. It's the first time that I've served food on this flight.
Well, I'm hungry, so what was I supposed to do?
I hear you. Girls gotta eat. You can do it before landing check. Seatbelts and shoulder harness is locked. Fuel selector is on both. Mixture is rich. We're gonna wait on that. And landing lights are on. Autopilot is off. Okay. Full landing check complete. Orange County traffic, Skyhawk is 5 miles from the south. We're going to land at runway 4, full stop. Orange County traffic. Orange County traffic, Skyhook's on final, runway 4, Orange County traffic. A good gust. Okay. That's how we do it. Natalie, that's how you land. How was that? How was that, kiddo?
Well, I don't know.
Okay. And Orange County traffic. Skyhawk is clearing the active. Runway 4. Orange County traffic. Open up your window now. So we'll just taxi right up to the runway again. We'll take off and head back. I think that'll be good. And you know, it's nice when we can...
It's